Let me explain you how I created this video where the moment you select something, all the charts gets updated and everything it is giving you where it is highlighted. The moment I clear, everything is highlighted. So now let me show you how I am going to create this kind of whole set. So let me show you from scratch. Let's take this whole data into a new workbook. So here is the complete data that I have. I am going to open a new Excel and just paste it. This is Excel 2016, but that shouldn't make any difference because that should remain immaterial. I guess this feature is very much available everywhere, even in previous version of Excel. So you go here, you create pivot chart and pivot table. So I have pivot chart and pivot table. I'm going existing worksheet location. I'm going to select like this, and I'm purposefully going to put it somewhere little on the right side. So I have put it here. Now let me make the pivot table. So I'm going to put region and city and category here, and I'm going to put product in the x-axis, and I'm going to put quantity here, let's say. So now here I have the quantity, right? Let me put right now in lieu of quantity, this is showing the product and total quantity. Let me show you something else. So I made one. Now I have the pivot data and I have the pivot chart. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to take it here, and I'm going to in the pivot table, I'm going to create insert slicer, and in slicer I'm going to put region, city and category. Let's do it this way. So look at now it has come. So I can put it here. So here is my region, here is my city that I have, and here is my different category that I have. Now I can put this chart here, and I can put a very descriptive title so that it's pretty clear. So I can say it's total quantity. Let me make it, let's font change to red color so that it looks even further nice. So this is one chart is ready. Now let me do one more thing. What I'm going to do now, I am going to just copy and paste this data and going to create another pivot table here. So here I created this pivot table, and in lieu of quantity I'll put this time total price. So I have got the total price here. And now again you select here, go to analyze, or rather go to insert and insert a pivot chart. So here is the pivot chart that I have got. Now this is of the total price. Now let me put it as total price, and let's change the font also so that it looks nice. So if you look at, now you have got two charts. And look at, because you created first slicer and then you created this chart from that data, I guess it will work on both of them. So moment you selected, look at both of them has changed. And look at region is showing a filter here, both the cases. Look at waste, it is showing a filter, clear it. Look at everywhere, both the places it has gone. So I can keep on adding charts here, and I can arrange it nicely. In fact, I can make it very nicely looking like this, and here you change at one place, all the charts are changing. So that's how you're able to give Excel a BI kind of look, and that way many people will find it much easier to use it and do the analysis pretty quickly, right? The moment whatever you are selecting, all the charts are getting updated, and they can look at what belongs to which area, and they can easily play with this Excel to find the figures.